If you're a person who enjoys detail-oriented stuff and putting these miniature models together, this is an excellent option from Rolife. This is the Cozy Kitchen. They have several setups that you can choose from, but they think of so many details. This is the finished product, and my friend who's putting this together, who is much more detail-oriented than I am, is enjoying so much all of the different options that to put together in the kitchen. All of these things are things that she's put together on an individual basis. The pieces come sort of like in these laser engraved things where you pop them out and be able to put them together from there. That's some furniture pieces. Here's some kitchen utensils that still need to come. You can just see the incredible detail that comes in the bags of the just the decorations and so forth that go with it too. So there's so many more layers to go with this just to make the kitchen have the homey feel that is portrayed here. The directions are super detailed to be able to go through and see how to make each of these tiny little pieces go together in the fashion that you want. But, you know, you still have some freedom if there's a few things that you want to do outside of that. The electric light does light up. I'll pull up here that it has a little battery. So I show that just to show the incredible level of detail that you have here. All of these moving things, you can go according to the model or have a little bit of freedom to. The end result I'm looking forward to seeing, and it is something that you can actually just sit inside of a bookshelf once it's done. You can create a diorama of all kinds of scenes that Rolife makes available along with this cozy kitchen. It's a fabulous gift idea. I loved it to be able to give to my friend who loves these sorts of things, or it's something that if you love these types of projects yourself, I think you're going to have hours of entertainment from it. The quality is just really something to see, and the handmade aspect to be able to personalize it in ways too is something I think you're really going to enjoy. I would recommend.